Have you ever wondered why certain products seem to be pushed so hard in stores? Why do they always seem to be on sale or have special displays? The answer might surprise you. It's called a store spiff. Imagine you're a store manager. You've got a mountain of inventory to move, and you need to make a profit. What do? Well, one strategy is to incentivize your employees to sell more of a particular product. This is where store spiffs come in. Defining store spiffs, a store spiff is a commission or bonus paid to a store employee for selling a specific product or brand. It's a way to motivate employees and encourage them to promote products that might not sell as well on their own. Types of store spiffs. There are a few different types of store spiffs. Straight commission. Employees receive a fixed percentage of the sale price for each item sold. Bonus. Employees receive a lump sum bonus for reaching a certain sales target. Contests. Employees compete against each other to see who can sell the most of a particular product. The winner receives a prize. Benefits of store spiffs. Increased sales. Store spiffs can significantly boost sales of targeted products. Employee motivation. They can motivate employees to go the extra mile and promote products they might not otherwise be interested in. Manufacturer support. Manufacturers often offer store spiffs to retailers as a way to increase market share. Drawbacks of store spiffs. Potential for fraud. Store spiffs can create opportunities for fraud, such as employees claiming to have sold products that were never purchased. Unhealthy competition. They can foster unhealthy competition among employees, leading to unethical behavior. Customer dissatisfaction. If employees are too pushy, it can lead to customer dissatisfaction and damage the store's reputation. Examples of store spiffs. A store might offer a bonus to employees who sell a certain number of smartphones during a specific promotion. A retailer might offer a commission to employees who sell a particular brand of laundry detergent. A department store might host a contest to see which employee can sell the most pairs of shoes during a holiday sale. Ethical considerations. While store spiffs can be a valuable tool for increasing sales, it's important to use them ethically. Stores should ensure that spiffs are transparent and fair, and that employees are not pressured to engage in unethical behavior. So, the next time you see a product prominently displayed in a store or hear a salesperson enthusiastically pitching it to you, remember that it might be the result of a store spiff. While they can be a powerful tool for boosting sales, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks and to use them responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.